What's going on, everybody? What's up? Happy Tuesday. We're going to rock and roll, right? Day trade. Now, we're going to day trade the Nasdaq, but right now, my Sierra charts, I don't even know what the fuck's going on, dude. I switched to my different Apex account, and this thing is just frozen. We'll see if it responds, right? Y'all know I've been day trading the S&P for a long time, but we just started trading these prop firms, right? Apex, learning a brand new system. So let's see what happens today. But right now, this bitch is frozen. So in the meantime, I'm hoping it unfreezes. If not, I'm just gonna have to restart it. But again, I'm gonna be trading the Nasdaq. It's just this thing is right now on crack. There we go. So hopefully that bitch gets working pretty soon. Shit's frozen. All right, come on, man. I don't want to have to restart it. Shit. Not responding. We do have about 4 minutes, so I'm just going to let it do its thing, and we'll see what happens. But still trying to figure out this new system, right? Sierra charts. I've been using Thinkorswim for a long time. Now I'm over here with Sierra charts, and as you can see, this shit's pissing me off. I don't want to have to redo it, man. Come on. We'll see what happens if it can come to life here pretty soon. But in the meantime, we'll just look right here at this S&P, see what's going on. Super excited, right? Trying to learn this different system and these prop firms. But a lot of rules. Just looking at the market itself, S&P is 28, Nasdaq's 136, Dow Jones 155. See, we back? No, we're not back. Ah! Come on, man. I might just have to restart this thing. Damn. See our charts. We'll give it a couple more minutes. I don't really want to trade in the first, 10, 15 minutes anyway. It's pretty crazy, especially with this Nasdaq. So let me, I'm going to log off. Let's log back in. I don't understand fucking Sierra charts, bro. All right. I'm just going to let it load back up. So we have a core PPI 730. Yeah, just let it load, right? Things on crack. See what we got. Again, I'm not going to trade the first couple minutes anyway. So we'll see. All right. We'll just kind of look over here until we get up and running. Man, these fucking Sierra charts, bro. Here we go. It's not like our boy TD, right? Oh, well. Market's going to open up in about 20 seconds. Guess the only good news for us is I'm not trading right off the bat anyway, but damn, these charts. Come on. I'm just going to monitor this here. 24. I don't know. That's the only thing I don't like about Sierra charts. What's going on, Jeff? What's going on, John?
Good morning.
My stupid charts are frozen.
Which ones?
Oh, Sierra.
Morning, guys.
Hey, what's going on, brother? I'm trying to get in here, but these stupid charts are frozen, man. They're up. That's the only thing I don't like about them. They're gonna freeze a lot on y'all. Y'all see, which is not good. But keep loading there. We'll take a look at the S&P right now until this damn thing gets up and running. But I can't. I don't know what it's doing, man. I don't understand what it's doing.
Well, I think
Well,
I'm pretty much authorized the chart activation, and we're good to go.
all right. Well, I really wish I could get mine to load. It was actually loaded, but then when I went to switch Apex account, it froze.
Huh.
Yeah, it does that. You're going to see. But, I mean, I wanted to wait anyway. I got some stuff I'm going to be doing today, so I'm actually pumped if I can get these damn charts to work. Hang on. Like, I'm actually pumped up. So, let me...
Are you live or is it just us?
No, I'm live, brother.
Okay.
I'm live with... All right, let me try to log on again here. See if it works. Maybe I'll be a little bit more patient this time. Yeah, no, I was I got some stuff, you know, I've been thinking a lot about it, and Pat was trading, and Pat was doing pretty good. So I was excited, and I am excited about today. But we got to get these charts to work. So we'll just talk in the meantime. So Jeff, you said you got everything set up?
Yeah, all the data feeds and everything are set up. All the accounts are squared away.
Really?
Yeah. And the only thing I got left to do now is talking to Liz yesterday when we were finishing up, and she said, "Yeah." She says, "I just got to get permission to authorize your charts, and you're good to go."
Nice.
So, yeah.
And I'm in the same place. She set me up as well.
All right.
So I think Mama E's got to kind of bless the whole operation here, and then off we go.
There we go. All right. I'm pumped about today, but I'm not pumped about what's going on right now with my charts. But
yeah, does it freeze like this on you all the time, Jeff?
Well, what happens is once you get it all connected, it's good. And the thing was, I was connected, but every time you switch over to a different account, it kind of freezes. All right. So let's see where we're at. So it's coming back. Let's just take my time. All right. So maybe I messed with it a minute ago. Again, I'm not going to be trading first 15 or so minutes, but I'm looking forward to a really positive day. What's up, Marky Mark?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's
Good morning,
up,
everybody?
What's going
Good
on?
morning.
Hey, Jeff.
What's happening, my man? Yeah, I'm having some charts issues.
Okay.
But we're just chatting. I don't want to mess with it because I think I messed with it a minute ago and I kind of froze it, but hoping it can come back. So we were just kind of chatting in the meantime. But if you look, I mean, we can look at the S&P, right? S&P 26. Looks like everything's messed up. Is it my internet or no? It can't be my internet. My internet's fast, bro. Yeah, Jason, what's up? We're having issues with my damn charts, brother. Wait, but I'm super pumped about today. I'm telling you, man. Other than this chart issue, I'm really excited to try some stuff out. I don't understand why it's taking so damn long with the charts, though. So we're just kind of looking at the S&P in the meantime. But it's good that y'all are hooked up. All right. Well, pretty much hooked up. See, I don't understand. You see that little wheel? I don't know if y'all can see, but that little wheel is there, dude. I'm afraid to log off the internet back on because I know my internet connection's good. So, I don't know, man. Sorry about that, but I can't control these charts, man. Unbelievable. Man, unbelievable. So, if y'all want to chat. Hey, wait, what happened? What happened? Don't tell me just logged off. Oh, there we go. Okay. Almost there. Okay. We're getting better. Oh! Damn it.
Have you tried
Fuck, man.
logging out of TOS altogether and just opening this thing up with nothing else on your system?
Actually, no, I haven't tried that.
I'm wondering if you're just having a resource issue on your machine with this. I don't know how much this thing hogs up. You got a fairly new machine though.
Oh, yeah, man. My machine is pretty pumped up.
Okay.
The thing is, I was on earlier, and for the future, I'm going to be able to get it fine. It's just I ran into this issue, and you're going to do it. So whenever you load, again, since we're just talking, we got plenty of time. I'm in no hurry, but y'all can see how it's froze. God, but I'm excited today, man. You know, I'm going to log back into TOS because that's not the issue. Yeah, man. I'm just going to, I guess, let it do its thing real quick. It'll come back in a minute. I have faith. I have faith that it's going to come back. Hang on. Let me just log in a TOS. I didn't want to trade right off the bat anyway, but today when we jump in our room and, oh, by the way, 12 o'clock. Yeah, seems like we're good at 12 o'clock. So that's solid news. Yeah, I don't know, dude. This fucking thing, dude.
Yeah, that's good. We finally got a schedule.
Yeah.
I think Liz is so far behind. I mean, he's putting a lot of pressure and get a lot of things done without too much help.
Yeah. This is really angering me, by the way, y'all. This is really starting to anger me. Oh, well.
I get right on with Sierra. I just give Sierra.
Funny like that. You want the charts to work.
What's up?
I said, you're funny like that. You want the charts to work.
Yeah, I know, right? I mean, I don't know how much. I mean, are we asking too much? Am I asking too much that I just want it to work? I mean,
You're very demanding, Jeff.
I know, right? Shit, dude. We'll just watch the S&P. Man, what's sad is I'm super excited about today trading. Like I got a really good game plan for today. Like there it is. Like, there you go. Okay, now. So let me close this. Let me just make sure I'm locked really quick. All right, so let's do this. Let's close. Open. All right. We're getting in business. Here we go. Getting closer. So we're about 10 minutes into it, so I can make sure that we're live right now. So what I'll do from an editing standpoint is I can go back and take off the first 10 minutes. We're not out of the woods yet, but we're close. Good news is I am going, whenever we're in our little mastermind today, I got some stuff to talk about. Pat was winning last night. Pat won like $3,000. So I think he's actually on to something. Come on, baby. You can do it.
Is Pat trading the after hour stuff, or when you said
Yeah,
last night?
that's one
Okay.
thing I'm not gonna do. I mean, that dude's up at 1, 2, 3 in the morning. I ain't gonna do that.
Yeah, a little less volatility in the market at that
Yeah, I
time.
know a lot less volatility, but I'm not gonna be staying up at 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, man. No way. Not me, my man.
Not even for a $3 grand motivator, huh?
No, not even for a $3 grand motivator. Not even for because I'll make $1 million in crypto, so it's not even for a $3 grand motivator.
Hey, I watched a couple of those crypto videos last night, man. That's some pretty exciting stuff.
You talking about the it's the deep. They're called the Deep Dive Podcast, and
Yeah.
they're pretty good.
Yeah, you got on the radar screen, bud.
I know, right? It's like wow.
That Jeff guy, man.
I know, dude.
Gosh,
It's
now
got
you're in Celebrityville in the trading community.
what. I tell you what, the celebrity is this motherfucking wheel that won't stop spinning. Dude, I had this all done. I did it in the morning, but now I know what I need to do. I need to, I had it all set up early today, but there was one thing I forgot to do. And I guess when I'm doing it now, there's probably a lot of people online. So I know now in the future what to do. But I'm going to tell what we can. Again, we're just talking. We're just talking right this second. This Nasdaq pulls back like a beast. We know that, man. So I think I'm going to have to turn into more of a, I'm not going to say scalper, but just more short-term in nature. I'm kind of seeing here when you tried to ride this trend a little bit, it just doesn't work. And Pat was killing it last night. And he actually did good during a New York session because we're having to trade differently, right? I'm not used to just kind of getting in, getting out. But I think that's the way that I'm going to have to do. I'm going to talk more about it, especially if these fucking charts work, I'll actually trade. I don't understand what's going on. But so Jason, Jeff, and John, they're pretty much set up. They're pretty much set up now. S&P's up 33. I guess we'll just talk about the S&P. Charles is long 03. And again, it's Nasdaq's up 169. As soon as this wheel stops, we'll be I think we'll be in business. I mean, we got all day anyway. It's not a big deal. So if y'all want to talk about Apex or anything, I'm down. But, I've been doing a lot of research. I'm going to do a lot of videos, too, on Apex.
Well, you did those 2 videos on trading.
Yeah.
The PPT team, is that somebody that nabbed her software, or where's that teaching from?
It's like they're a podcast. They do reviews.
Okay.
So somebody must have chatted with them because they do reviews.
Yeah, it's called.
She was talking about having a PDF of the rules and all of that.
Yeah.
That she was reading off of. I know that Mama Eagle had talked about somebody made a copy of her software.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think that's that, though.
Okay.
Yeah, no. They're just a podcast. They do reviews. They don't like trade or nothing.
Because that was really good. And actually the setups where they actually show the pictures, all of a sudden it makes more sense. For me, my problem is I need to get the charts.
Yeah.
So I can start watching them real time, because it's easy to look back, just like it's easy to look back at a daily chart and say, oh, I should have got in here.
Yeah.
Because it went to here. But I think they are sniping more than anything else.
Yeah, and that's what I'm going to do. That's what Pat did. And not only that, the more and more I think about it, that just actually starts to make more and more sense. I really wish my charts, I really wish my charts would actually work.
Well, I know they recommended having a computer dedicated to Sierra trading, not have other software on it. This morning, and I picked up a computer. I'm Mac based, but I picked up a PC to put the Sierra chart on. And this morning, mine, all I have is I set up one chart. It's a chart of the Nasdaq, but just with a couple lines on it. I put SMA 55 on it.
Okay.
I put the 200, and I also put the VWAP on it. And a MACD at the bottom. I just wanted to be able to look at the chart and run it, but it started to give me all kinds of error messages, and I went and checked and ended up having to shut my computer down and start up again because my data feed was low for some reason.
Oh, I got
And that's
you.
all I have running on that computer. That's it. I'm sharing my bandwidth with my Mac, but so anyway, that was one of the notes somewhere about. But I found that last one you posted really helpful, their checklist. And I was looking at their diagram of how to do the PL3 while she was walking through. It's like, oh, that makes sense. And because of what they're doing, they're actually doing the quick scalps where we're looking at long-term changes. We just need to move it to basically a hot rod mode, I think.
Yeah. Well, I did a video on Apex, like my video. What I'm going to be doing is little videos. Like I did a video where I'm kind of going, Jason sent that document, and I'm going to just kind of going through the rules and making these videos so I myself can learn more.
Is there a limited number of days you have to qualify an evaluation account, or is it just the minimum where you have to do 7 days of trading?
Yes, 7 days of trading. So this is what it's interesting. Me and Jason were talking about it, and you have to pass your threshold, but you have to do 7 days of trading. So technically, I don't know how they say you can pass it in 1 day, because in reality, you can't because of the 7 days. So again, I'm brand new. I'm learning little by little. And the best way that I understand all this is to do videos, because when I do videos, it helps me learn it more. And so I don't know a lot. You know that I'm brand new, but this is my primary mission, other than crypto, which again, crypto, I'm just kind of looking at the charts, waiting. Today was a good day. I did a XRP video today. Y'all should check it out. It's a good one. There's some good information that came out, and it's having a nice day. At least it was this morning.
I have been checking them out, and they've been very good.
Good.
But back to the Apex thing. So
yeah,
I know it resets once a month. So to get to expiration date, it resets. When it resets, does it keep whatever you've earned in the previous month, or do you start back at zero?
You know what? That's a fantastic question. I do not know the answer at all. I'm assuming it starts over, but I don't have a clue.
I thought I read somewhere that it did. If you went down below and you lost the account, if you waited until the automatic renewal, then it reset there, and there was no extra charge, because if you reset it in the middle, they charge you for it.
So let me ask you then. Well, let me ask you this then. Let's say you're down, and you're only $500 away from like losing the account, and then it resets, and then that first day you lose the 500. You mean now you have to wait another month? Or what the hell happens?
I have no idea. I don't know.
If that's the case, on the last day, you can't go in with a negative balance, or you're going to reset at a negative balance.
So those are the things I don't understand about it. And, because I'm going to be starting in the middle. We got them early because we had the cart ahead of the horse on getting our evaluations. So
exactly. Well, that's a question, because, I don't want to start a new month after just paying a reset fee of negative, where if I have that bad, then now I gotta wait the whole nother. Fuck that. That means if it comes the end of the month, I'm just gonna be going for it and going crazy. It's either gonna pass it or I'm gonna make damn sure that account blows up. If that's the case.
You might want to look at the terms, because I'm not sure. It might have been one free reset if you blow the account and you wait until the normal renewal date, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know.
So that'll give you 2 tries, and you know, it's $33 on the renewal, which is still cheaper than what you could buy a new one for.
Unless there's a sale.
Right, when there's a sale, but.
Well, that's stuff that we have to do
suggestion.
together. That's part of the mastermind group. This is part of everybody doing, finding information out and sharing it with the group.
Well, and I will do some checking if I get a chance today.
So what happened was my charts were actually good. So I'll kind of tell you here. Everything was set up, but then over here, when I went to, because I have 7 accounts. So when I change it to the account that I want to trade, it has to go through the data thing again. So now I'm just waiting again. So Jason said you would have to pay for the reset or wait till the monthly rebill, but they only reset at rebill if you blew up the account. Otherwise, at rebill, yeah, then I'll make sure that I blow up the account or pass it, which means if I go into the last day, I'm going to be trading like an absolute psychotic maniac on purpose. Because it sounds to me like you have to, if that's correct. Again, I'll do a lot of research, but that's you have to pay for the reset. I get that. Oh, you say, but they only reset at rebill if you blew up the account. Otherwise, at rebill, your balance stays until you pass or blow up the account. Yeah, that's stuff I got to learn for sure. It's 8:52 right now. I'm hoping here in the next couple minutes we're good to go. I really have a plan that I want to start working today. Really hardcore. Like I'm telling you, today I'm going to really, really focus intensely. So my whole thing is the rebill the same day that it would reset? The day that you got it 30 days later?
Yes. You get rebilled if you haven't, and that was in there. And on the special we got, it was $16 and whatever plus tax for the initial, and then it was, I think, $33 on the rebill.
Rebill or reset?
Well, it's a rebill, and so I think, if I understand it correctly, say you're $1,000 away from meeting your target of $50,000.
Okay.
And your month rolled over, you get charged for the rebill, but you maintain your account just where it was at. So you just need to move ahead and get the other $1,000 to get your PA account. If you blow the account up, there's a reset button on there, but there's a charge for the reset. But if you wait until the normal rebill, you get at least 1 free reset. So it starts over with the drawdown where it started at. That's my understanding of it.
So let me ask you this question. And by the way, this is really pissing me off. I'm going to do this ahead of time from now on. I should have did that, damn it. But anyway, it is what it is. So question, and again, this is, at least we're being productive here. So let's say you blow up the account in the first 10 days. Do you have to wait till the 30-day to reset it, or can you pay and reset it before the 30 days?
You can pay a reset fee, but what it said was if you wait until the rebill day, you get at 1 free reset, so you can save some money. If you have other accounts you're playing with or whatever, then it might be financially beneficial to use the other accounts and get the free reset.
So, okay. So Jason said you can pay right away, but you still get rebilled in 30 days?
You can pay a reset fee. That was in there. I remember reading that on their website.
Right away.
There was What?
Right away. So if you blow up an account in the first 5
If you had
days,
it for right, if you had it for 1 day and you blew it up, you could go in and do the reset, or you pay a fee in the reset, and that goes then through the rebuild time. So you don't get the whole 30 days, but you get the restart. So if you're in 5 days, you get the rest of the month until the rebuild on it. You still get rebuild, but that just allows you. So if you only had one, you can reset it right away if you blew the account up early in the month.
and this is
But
really,
there's a fee for that.
this
If
is
you-
really
if you
fucking
wait,
pissing
if
me
you
off.
blow it up and you wait until the rebuild, you get at least one free reset and you get to start over.
Okay.
So
But I mean, forget the free reset for a minute. I don't like. Let's just pretend like I don't care about that. So is it the same when you reset it? So let's say you blow it up in 5 days and you want to reset it. Is it the same?
right, you get 15 days till the end of the month, and then you get rebuild. Was my understanding of 15 trading days.
So if you reset it in day number 20 and 10 more days, you're still going to get billed again?
Yes,
What if I want to cancel
that
some
was my
accounts? What if I want to cancel some accounts and I don't want to get rebilled? I just want to cancel them.
you can cancel them. You can cancel them anytime, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to cancel
In fact, they said be careful not to push the cancel button in there unless you want to.
Yeah, I do. I don't want those $300,000 ones right now. That's kind of pointless for me. I haven't even started really trading them yet, and I'm going to get rebilled on something that I don't even really like want right now. Yeah. So I guess I didn't know the rebuild. I'm glad we're having. I mean, I hate the fact that this thing's frozen. I know it's going to pop up at any moment. This is absolutely awful, but at least we're making use out of this. And this is stuff that, I know I got to know. It sounds like y'all already know it. So we got two different categories. We got reset and rebuild. Reset feature comes when your 30 days is up. You reset it. If you've basically blown up the account, you can reset it. And you can reset it at any time. But in the 30 days, it's going to rebuild. So if you wait the 30 days, basically the reset becomes the rebuild.
Right. That's my understanding.
Okay. Wow. Rebuild is every 30 days from when you started, no matter what, unless you cancel that account. Yeah. So when it rebuilds, though, if you got a blown up account and you're just going to wait the 30 days, then at the rebuild, it resets, right? I mean, it has to.
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay. So it's better if you have a lot of accounts, just wait the 30 days.
It is. It'll save you money in the long run.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's not a lot, but.
By the way, this is awful on this thing, dude. All right. So, fuck, I guess we'll just kind of look over here. So the ES broke down. 30 minutes is about to be up. I'm hoping that it just comes. I was really excited. If account is blown up, reset what happened. Okay. If your account is blown up, reset what happened at rebuild. Gotcha.
Because they want you to keep trading. So.
Yeah, that makes sense. So we had core PPI at 730. Doesn't look like we have anything else. I would love if this actually begins to work. It would be really impressive. Really impressive. Not asking for too much. Just asking for that wheel to stop. Again, I'm going to focus more on shorter term. I'm going to focus more on a scalping type of methodology. I'm not going to let these damn things run. These pullbacks are deadly. These pullbacks take away an extreme amount of profit, and I don't want to go through that. It's awful. You get in an account, you start to do a win, you have one big pullback, and it wipes you out. I'm just not going to, I'm going to really focus my trading with this software on not having to try to experience that. Again, that's what Pat was doing. He was winning. He also traded at the New York session. I would love to trade right now. It'd be great if this wheel would freaking respond. This is awful. I hate this if this is the way Sierra Charts is, this is a very awful feature. Very awful feature about it. Okay, So, but again, Jason and y'all are throwing out some good stuff. And since I'm accomplishing nothing from a trading standpoint right this second, Jason says, but let's say if you blow up your account 20 days in, you can pay to reset it at that point and then still have to pay at the rebill, or yes, or you can wait to pay once the reset at rebill. Yeah, I think if you are close, right, maybe even over the halfway mark, you know, I wouldn't want to get double whacked. It seems to me now I'm understanding how they're making all their money, right? You're buying all these evaluation accounts. They're very easy to blow up, right? Even if you win, you blow them up. Then you got these resets, you got these rebills. And then when you get the PA, you pay a fee for the PA. And then you can blow that up and have to start all over. You're constantly buying these things unless you got a system that's allowing you to be consistent, like every single day. Which again, I'm excited. You know, I believe it's possible. Obviously, I had a game plan for today, but son of a bitch, this is pissing me off. Maybe we don't. Maybe I don't get any trading. And again, if that's the case, I'll have to just do it this afternoon. I mean, I'm staying here, but again, as long as we can learn something. But, you know, ES, look at the ES. We broke down. So the 15-minute low, 30-minute low, you can see we broke down. We're headed back. You know, still undecided over here. Ticks are still 504. S&P's 13. Nasdaq 49. Damn it. Come on, you piece of shit. Please, man. We had hit that TB3 swing high when this mayhem started. But I can promise you this. When this chart works, it's going to be productive. It's going to be productive, man. The fact that Pat was winning on basically switching up the approach to more of a shorter term in nature gives me a lot of hope. You can see here the VIX is still undecided. Market's pretty flat. We go to the bigger time frame. Might as well look at that while we're waiting. S&P on the daily time frame. Right there, right? Broke down to that lower low, starting that hookup. So today for option class, we might start being able to take some trades today. Because again, TD works fine. It's this thing right here. And I guess the problem is there's so much data that's running through it. It's just really really slow. So y'all got your charts. You have the feed. You're just waiting to connect all the little things.
We don't have the charts yet. I have the feed. I think Jeff does as well. She set all of that up, but then she said she's waiting for the chart. So I went in and created a chart. I was just playing with the chart. So I brought up NQ, and I have just a candle chart on there, so I can at least look at the platform.
Gotcha.
And play with it a little bit. That's all I'm doing. And until we get the charts in there, then you can, like you do, pick the charts for her system.
Yeah.
And then open that up. That's what you need to do.
Gotcha. Gotcha. I mean, I'm hoping at any moment this kicks in. I mean, it's not a new scalping method. And yeah, he did talk about it. I'll talk about it here a little later, but it's not new. It's just literally not letting these things try to go to the moon, you know? Well, what's new for him is he was doing a trailing stop, and he would get in a trade and he would try to trail it up and basically maximize the trend. But because these pullbacks are so violent, he just started, you know, not doing any trailing and stuff. And I know exactly what it is and what we're going to focus on. I was going to be doing it. Again, we got 12 o'clock. We got the room. We're going to log in. You know, I'll probably log in today about 11:15, especially because of this. The only thing is, at least I'm learning some stuff that I didn't know before about the reset and the rebuild. So at least we're still getting good information. I don't want to touch this chart because I know eventually it's going to just start working. So kind of trying to make the best of it. But yes, I mean, I know exactly what he's doing. It's what we were doing, but a little bit different. You know, I'm going to type in our chat, right? Let me type in our chat group while I'm waiting for this pretty idiot. Okay, right there what I typed in. Hardcore. That's going to be, I'm going to really focus on that a lot. You know, Terry uses that. He's a multi-millionaire trading with this system. So, you know, you don't have to tell me much more than that. Right now. Yeah, I mean, that's going to be a big, big part. He was too. He was too. And then just more scalping instead of trying to let these trends run forever. So Charles went short. Charles went long. Charles went short. It's going up. Back inside the range. Like I said, I don't feel like it's completely wasted because y'all are feeding some good information. And to avoid me just getting upset, you know, I'm trying to maintain a good positive attitude because I was super excited about today. I still am. We got all day and in the afternoon, and but I need to trade it, especially now that I know, you know, what y'all are saying about these reset and rebuilds. It's gonna kind of change some of the things. But I really wish I knew what was causing. Now he's long. What the fudge? Holy crap! Long, short, long, short. We're still undecided on the VIX. Ticks are picking up, though. Nasdaq's picking up a little bit, so things are picking a little bit back up. You can see here we held that zero line. Come on, baby, please. Everybody kind of just say a little prayer really quickly so we can get this damn thing working. Maybe we do the power. Well, all right, so people watching it on live, there ain't no trading today, but if you guys are looking to trade Apex, well, please prop firm. I'm brand new to this. This is a completely different system, style, charting package. We're in our school. We have a mastermind group. We're learning it together. And it's going to be a big piece of the puzzle going forward. I'm not an expert at Sierra charts. This is literally the first time I've ever used it. These are Unirinco charts. First time I ever used that. So this is brand new. So in 2025, if you have a goal to trade, well, guess what? Come on in, because this is all we're doing it from scratch. And I'm learning in real time. I need to do this stuff right here about 5 in the morning, so it's already up and loaded, and I don't have to go through this crap. Because it is 38 minutes in, and I can't even got my charts to work yet. This is a joke. And maybe it's because I got a bunch of other stuff running. I don't know. Maybe it's because Thinkorswim's running. Maybe. Because you know what? When I log on in the morning and I set them up normally, I do it before I log into Thinkorswim. So maybe I should have... I don't want to log out of Thinkorswim now, though, because it's like all we got. And it's one of those that... if I log out, then I got, you know, all we got to look at is this damn Sierra charge, which is a little wheel. But I'm going to be talking about all day today what me and Pat were talking about. Except when we're in Rebecca's room, then I'm just going to shut up and watch her. And hopefully everybody ask a bunch of questions. And I'll be there every day at 12. In that. So we'll do our own little thing at about 11:15, 11:30. Exactly. I'd be giving y'all a bunch of ta-das right now, but my chart ain't working. God, this is a fucking joke, man. It is an absolute joke. I'm just praying it comes back on. So we're back in the range. Charles says getting whipsawed. Yeah, it's pretty choppy right now. Look, Charles went short here and went up. He went long. Now it's going short. Like, come on, man. You know, I wasn't going to change the Apex account either, but I didn't want to trade in the other account. I wanted to trade in this one. So I changed it. And you're going to be doing it too, right? You're going to have to put whatever Apex account you want to trade over here. Target hit again. There wasn't no target. That went down. That's what happened was I changed it. Yeah, there wasn't no target. This thing ain't doing nothing. We're literally trapped in the range. Dow Jones up 160. If y'all got any other good information or stuff about Sierra, let's go. Or the stuff, prop firm, let's just talk. Right now, it's more like we're just chatting. Because I obviously can't do nothing. Damn. I'm so pumped up. I mean, I'm going to get it to work. It might be when we get done, I have to literally shut off the entire damn computer and start from scratch, but it's going to be working by this afternoon if it doesn't come into play here in a minute. It won't even let me. I have this little wheel. I can't do nothing. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can. There it is. Holy shit. It worked. What? All right. So I'm going to go to settings. Let me make sure I don't have these. I don't want to copy trade right now. Oh, shit, guys. It worked. All right. Now we're in a game, baby. And look what we missed. An absolute beauty. All right. Here we go. Finally. So we're about 45 minutes into it. Okay. Cool. So here we go. Finally. I'm going to go ahead and disable this active trader for a minute. We had that beautiful run up, it looks like. Look at that move, of course, while it wasn't working. Look at that beautiful move, right? Beautiful. All right, let's go to work. Let's go to work. Finally. I'm going to do 4. I'm on the right one. Here we go. Let me kind of get all this stuff set up. So it looks like we're coming into, you know, if we just do this, let me kind of get these all set up. Coming into TB2, right? Little resistance area. Pretend like I know what I'm talking about, right? This thing's just going straight up. All right. We're going to give it a shot, right? Hey, 45 minutes is better than nothing. So, there we go. All right, here we go. Good fresh start for the day. We got us a swing high coming right in at that. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, moving down. Let's see if we can make some money today. Make sure my targets are correct. Okay. All right. Here we go. It's pretty violent, it looks like. We hit that TB2, reversed off of it. And again, in the morning, it's violent. He said target hit. How did he hit target when he went long? There's no target hit. Charles said he went long. It's going down. All right, so we had to swing high with this Wilder X arrow. Right now, though, I am looking to go to the upside personally. Right this second. If we go over here, we change it to 30 minutes. Look at that. You had a red candle, big green candle. So we're just kind of fighting back and forth right this second. Sitting at VWAP. getting that higher low on the OD line, line 21. All right, so I'm going to be taking some trades here pretty soon. Hopefully I can do what we're talking about. Okay, so let's get ready here. I'm going to get a little bit bigger where I can see. Oops. There we go. Now I see a little bit better. Cool. There we go. Y'all see it? Might get us a diamond. Backing off. Right now, backing off. Oh, is that right on the Nasdaq? It's 135. Remember my data feed was messed up earlier? Yeah, 135. Okay. I'm going to move this to my middle screen. I want to make sure that the data feed is correct. So we're finally up and running here. All right. There we go, baby. So what I want to do here is, again, I'm learning. There's some things that I'm trying to recognize. So if I don't win today, that's okay. Because I have I'm on trading locked. I have a plan, but I've got to see a couple things. Wow, this shit's going up. Okay. Remember, tight stop. That's what this whole game is going to be about. I don't mind doing these pullback trades, but I'm going to have a very tight stop. I wanted to get in. It didn't nick me. Damn it. I had an order coming down there. So I'm going to try some things here, okay? Just don't shoot me. This is going to be something I'm going to try. If I don't get triggered, I'm going to try something. Okay, and again, I've got to experiment with this. Okay. I want to get filled here. You know. Oh, now you got the stupid wheel? Shit. Oh, you got the charts? I have an order sitting right here. Okay. I got an order sitting right here. I'm going to see if it comes down and gets me. Okay. Small risk. I got to really fight the urge to chase. Okay. Again, I don't mind losing. I don't care about losing. This is the trade that I want to lose on. I'm going to be focusing hardcore, but where I'm going to change things is the management. If I don't get stopped out. Okay, so no problem. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Just here. Yeah, I know. It's you saw how long it took me to get it. So this is a higher low. Again, I'm going to be trying some stuff, okay? So I might be doing a lot more scalping than normal. But I'm going to be trying some stuff. I don't even care. I'm really got to learn to let. Today, my whole mission is to learn the lessons today. I'm planning on doing that. So we're at the zero line. We might have twins. We got twins. Right? We got cows. We got cows. So I'm going to set this auto trader to not short, on bar close. Okay? I don't normally want to do this, but I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to disable it. Jason, are you connected with your Apex accounts or your Top Step? So are you trading like you have the system and everything? Okay, so we're at the 6. Holding the VWAP. Again, I'm going to be experimenting today, okay? Just so you know. I'm going to go at this day, and I'm going to really try to test it out. And I've got to work on my management. So I'm going to be taking a bunch of trades right now, primarily for the learning experience, okay? I'm just going to let you know. So I'll probably do more trades than normal. Now, we are coming off a swing high. So do we have a swing high? We got a Wilder X arrow or whatever it is. All right. We got double star at the 6. Just be patient, right? Again, I'm going to do a lot of trading today to test it out. Okay, so that didn't hold. Now this is cruising down. Hey, I'm going to be patient today. See if we can get that 6 on top of the VWAP. We're at OD 382, right? There's a battle going on at this level. You can see these wicks are violent. Violent is an understatement. This is what I'm talking about, man. If you're in these trades, how can you can't fight that, dude. Right now, we hit that TB1. We bounce to the downside. This thing is cruising. Again, I plan on taking some trade, a lot more trades than normal today. I'm telling you right now. And the only reason I'm going to do it is I'm going to be working on the management. I have to, again, I want to really work on this scalping, being able to get in and then just get out if necessary. Holding TB and looking for this to roll over. We got a lower high. Okay. In no hurry. All right, so we're working our way back up. Man, these Renko charts are psycho. We still got this lower high, right? I'm expecting this to roll over. We could form that diamond down here at the bottom. Okay. Now, what I might do is just get in on the close as a test. Again, I'm trying to test something out. I'm trying to test something out. But I'm going to get in on this close of the bar. Right now, I'm not going to talk about these rules too much, buddy. We're on live on YouTube. We'll talk about them more in a mastermind for sure. But right here, I'm just going to get in. I'm just trying to get in on the close because I want to work on my management. That's really what I'm trying to focus on today. I don't even care about winning and losing today. Today, I really want to focus on my management. That's my most important thing. Look at that wick. Impossible. We did have the cross. Okay. But again, I'm telling you right now, I'm going to be taking some shots and I'll talk all about it later, but I do not, it's not about winning and losing today. Today's about me getting good at my management, period. We still got this lower high. I'm still expecting this to roll over. We're at the 0 line. We got the star. I'm still looking for that diamond. But I do like it. Like I really like this because there's more intensity, right? It's like, I mean, this is fast, dude. It's crazy. Okay, I'm still expecting this to come up, give us that double cross, work its way down. I'm going to get in on bar close. Come on. And again, I can't stress you. All right. I can't stress you too enough. I'm going to be probably taking quick shots if necessary. Come on, baby. The only way I can practice is to get in. All right, good. All right, I'm in short. Flat. Flat. And remember, once we get it good, then, okay, so I'm going to put an order to get in short. Right there. Okay. So I want to get in short. Right there. I do like this. We got those twins. We could keep going down. You know, I might put that order about right there. Small little stop loss. Going down. Shit. I'm still wanting to go short. Now it's just getting crazy. I'm gonna cancel that trade. We came down here into the Fibonacci. I don't want to be short right there in front of the Fibonacci. We could cross the 6, start to go back up. Man, look at that. Boom. I'm excited today about 12, though. I'm hoping we can gather some knowledge. He says he's up $720 this morning. I got to figure out what he's doing. Wow. So he's killing it. He said he's up $720 this morning already. What? Hang on. I'm looking at his message. Let me bring his message over here where I can look at it. So he says he's recognizing things. He says he's killing it now. He's focusing on the direction, He's got trading view charts pulled up though too. That's one of the things he's got is his trading view charts pulled up. So he's focusing on direction. All right. And right now we are heading down. These pullbacks are just too violent, bro. Good news is I'm going to be chatting with Pat. Even though, look at these. All of these would have worked out so good. Damn. He's trading differently, though. He's talking about value lines and shit. I mean, see these wicks? These are so... I'm going to ask him how many contracts he's doing. So I don't know how many he's doing because $720 at 4 contracts. That seems like a little bit difficult. All right. So we're getting this Wilder X arrow. We're on BB2. Let's see if we can cross the 6. Again, I'll be chatting with Pat. Do not worry, my friends. I will be picking the brain because he's killing it all of a sudden. He went from getting destroyed to killing it. He's trading 1 mini. Oh. Oh my God. He's trading 1 mini. I think that's what I should do, but I'm not going to switch right now because when I switch, that little marathon that we went through a minute ago, that's what I think I'm going to do. He's trading 1 mini. No wonder. I was like, how's he making so much? Swing low. Okay. I see what he's doing. Okay. Again, I'm reading the message. I'll be sharing it later. Don't worry. So we got us a swing low. Expecting this hook up and a roll over. But he's using 1 mini. Okay. All right. So sit right here. This thing's just wicking around like a snake. I'm going to ask him something. I'm just asking Pat some stuff right now. So this could be that chopsticks roll over. Damn. Only got about 10 more minutes to do options, but don't worry. We're gonna resume this at about 11:15 up until 12, and then we'll be with Rebecca. So I don't mind not getting my ass in trouble right now. That gives me a chance to pick Pat's brain. We can talk about it offline, but it's not my fault. The stupid computer jacked up, dude. Oh, shit. I wasn't paying attention because I was talking to Pat. He's entering on TradingView? What? Oh, he has an entry from TradingView. Oh, man. On TradingView? No way. All right. I'm asking him questions. That's why I'm not as worried about. What? That's crazy. I think he'll. Man, that's tough. He's based. It's not really going to help us too much. He's entering on an engulfing candle, so he's probably not even using these Urinko. I think he's entering. I think he's trading TradingView. This is good information, though, that I'm getting, y'all. So we had this chopstick, right? Kind of going up. What are these called? Urinko? He's entering based on TradingView. But he's confirming the move with Sierra charts. What? It's a lot of work, it seems like. So when I get an entry on TradingView, I put my... So he's doing these buy stops and stuff. He's not doing the pullback. He's actually doing the buy stop when a candle confirms. Okay, I see what he's doing. He's confirming the direct. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a sell stop, the tight stop loss right there. That's what he's doing. He's not catching the pullback. All right, but I see what he's doing. He's entering on Sierra charts, but he's using TradingView as a guide. Yeah, I don't even know what just happened. Bam! Fuck! Okay. Remember I told you I'm just experimenting today, but I can't take the commission, so I'm probably going to do the... He says hopefully he can figure out what everybody else is looking for. Right now, he's just kind of doing his own thing. The problem is these commissions. They're going to kill you with these micros. Damn. I don't know if I want to do that, though. These commissions are too big. So what he's doing is he's catching these like the buy stops, but I mean, I guess if you do the mic, what's it, the minis, it's probably okay because a couple of ticks can get you a lot of points. All right, we're going back up. Get that diamond. I agree. Yeah, I mean, I get it. I mean, it's hard, you're right, with these micros because you got to make enough to cover that commission, right? Yeah, I might just do that. Because I don't think I can do the management like that. That's too much commissions. He's basically getting in, and as soon as it shows weakness, he's getting out. Yeah, see, I think I might do that. When we meet this afternoon, I think I might put it on the minis. Big difference. Big difference. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So here's the deal. Apologize for the inconvenience. We're going to be a lot of trading today. Plus, we're going to be in the room. Plus, I'm going to go from the I think I'm going to jump into the minis, man. And I'll chat with Pat too. So let me do this. Let me lock it so I don't get screwed. And we're going to be doing a lot of trading in the afternoon. It's going to be a big day. Plus, we're going to be in the room at 12. I'm not going to minis on if it. So what are you saying? But he had. Well, then I just need. Maybe I'm going to talk with him and find out what he's doing because the reality, he's jumping in and out. He's jumping in and out. Yeah, I will. I'm going to chat with him. I'm going to tell him really quick. Okay, we'll do this. Let's get ready for options. Lock this platform. We'll come back at about 11:15. We'll trade it in the mastermind group. We'll talk off the mic. We'll go into the room at 12, and we'll be good to go. All right. Sorry about that on YouTube, but if you want to join us, come on in the mastermind group. All right, y'all.